Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI, where we decode the world of artificial intelligence and make it simple for students and tech enthusiasts. Today's topic is super important if you're diving into large language models. We're breaking down the key generation settings like temperature, toppy, and penalties in simple terms. Let's go. So, what's temperature in an LLM? Think of it like a creativity dial. Lower temperature is equal to more focused, predictable responses. Great for factual tasks like Q&A. Higher temperature is equal to more creative and random responses. Perfect for poetry, storytelling, or ideation. You're basically telling the model, play it safe or go wild. Toppy is another way to control creativity. It sets a threshold. Only the topmost likely words are considered. Low toppy is equal to confident, accurate outputs. Ideal for data-driven or precise answers. High toppy is equal to model explores more options. Great for brainstorming or varied responses. Tip: use either temperature or toppy, not both together. Pick your tool. This one's simple. Max length tells the model how long its answer can be. Set a max length to avoid rambling. It helps you control cost, response time, and output size. Want quick responses? Keep it short. Stop sequences are strings that tell the model, okay, time to stop generating. For example, if you want a top 10 list, use 11 as a stop sequence. It won't go beyond 10 items. Super handy for formatting and keeping things tight. Ever seen an AI repeat words like cool, 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 cool? Frequency penalty fixes that. It reduces the chance of repeating tokens based on how often they've already appeared. High penalty is equal to fewer repetitions. Lower is equal to more freedom to reuse words. Great for making responses sound more natural. Similar to frequency penalty, but instead of scaling with the word count, it just penalizes any repetition equally. High presence penalty is equal to more diverse, less repetitive output. Low presence penalty is equal to focused, possibly repetitive but consistent responses. Again, like temperature versus toppy. Use either frequency or presence penalty, not both. So here's the takeaway. Use lower values when you want precision and accuracy. Use higher values when you want creativity and exploration. These settings shape how an AI model behaves, and knowing them helps you make smarter prompts for better results. If this helped you understand LLM settings better, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Tech AI, and share it with a friend who's into prompt engineering. Drop your questions below. I'll reply or maybe cover them in a future video.